So right here, all I'm doing is using a pre-existing bodysuit that I refashioned a while back with a dress that I had to get that pattern that I want for the bra top that I'm creating. So all I'm doing is laying it down, taking my chalk, tracing out the necessary pattern and cutting it out. Now, if you're doing this DIY, you can use whatever you wish. You can use a pre-existing bra top that you have. You can use, like me, a bodysuit, a dress, anything that has that pattern that you're looking for, go ahead and use it. My legging had a stretchy kind of elastic at the bottom of it, so I'm going to use that aspect to create that finishing touch at the bottom of my bra top so that it hugs me just right and stays in place. To create the back aspect, which is going to be basically a rectangular shape, I'm using the front aspect to get all measurements. The under the bust point to the length of the top is how wide my band needs to be, and well, the length will be the length of the front of the top. So I took all my measured points, used my ruler, connected all points, took my scissors, cut it out, and used all excess fabric to create the straps to complete my finished look. And that was it. Workout piece complete. So get your refashion on, guys. Until next time, deuces.